Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, how can I help you?
Well, I have $5,000 I would like to invest in your bank.
Okay.
And also I would like to know what is your interest rate per year?
Our interest rate per year is 8.5% of your investment, and we can do it in two programs. We have two plans. The first one is a compounded quarterly, and there's another one which is the compounded continuously. I can give you some information if you want to see here, so you can take into consideration in investing.
Yeah, if you want, I'll call my financial assessor in order to help me with this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh, she's here.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Well, I would like you to help me with this. I want to make an investment in her bank, but I don't quite understand the continuously and quarterly programs. And also the investment I would like to do is for 3 years, so could you help me with this?
Yeah, sure, I'll help you. Just let me think.
I'm going to explain you the flowchart. First, you analyze the problem carefully. Then, solve each problem with the appropriate formula and substitute. The formulas are interest compound formula and continuous compound formula. Graph each problem and analyze each graph. Using the graphs, observe how many years need to pass in order to receive $10,000.
So the first thing you have to know are the formulas. For quarterly, this is the formula. P is for initial investment. R is for interest and T for years. And N is compounding. If they are going to compound you quarterly, then you would substitute that formula doing this. 3 equals 5,000 times 1 plus 0.085, which this is interest, divided by 4 to the 12th power. That is 4 times 3. And after solving this up, you will have $6,435.09 in your account. This is by compound quarterly. And by compound continuously, it is another formula, and you take into account E, which is the Euler number. And here you will substitute differently. It would be 3 equals 5, 3 is the years, so 3 equals 5,000 times 2.71 to the 255th power, because you're going to multiply 0.085 times 3. And this will get approximately $6,447.29 into your account.
And also one final question. How many years have to pass in order for me to have $10,000?
Oh, they will have to pass about 8 years.
Well, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
I want you, we can bring it on the floor. Never danced like this before. We don't talk about a dancer.
The graphs of your investment.
Yes.
As you can observe, the graphs show that they are almost the same, but if you zoom in, there's a slight difference. The blue line represents the interest compound quarterly, and the red line represents the interest compounded continuously.
Well, thank you, sir.
What is your company about?
Oh, we work with radioactive materials. In fact, we calculate the radioactive decay of those materials.
Oh, and what is that?
Well, the radioactive decay is the time that has to pass in order for that material to disintegrate. In order to calculate that, we use the half-life formula, which is the half of the time. In order for like we have 100 grams of plutonium, and how many time has to pass in order for us to have 50 grams of plutonium. And that's how our company works.
That's great.
And also, I came to this bank because other banks were working with exponential growth.
Oh yeah, exponential growth is the increased fixed rate over time. It is the increase in numbers according to the geometric series, actually.
And do you work with that?
Oh no, we don't.
Okay, perfect.
It would.
I'm not blind, holding on to you. and I don't know where it's going or what it will do. And I try to control it, but control is what I lose. You got my
We can conclude that this topic is very useful and necessary in our lives in the area of economics. The both given formulas, the compound interest formula and the continuous compound formula, help us calculate the profits of a company and enterprises. We had issues solving this problem, but after a thorough research, we could understand the problem and solve it with no hard time.
my blind heart holding on to you.
Oh, pues.
Ya.
How many times? Susie, have to pass.
Listo. Vamos, es una preguntita ya. Es lo único que falta.
And also,
Ya.
fue ella.
Ya, fui yo. Pero
No,
ya,
Mari-
ya.
So one final. Eres tú.
Ya. Ya me voy
Ya
a
ni
reír, ya me
estoy.
voy a reír. Ya. Ya se me va a pasar las manos.
Te están haciendo zoom.
No, ya.